Are you looking for the best twin bed mattress in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best twin bed mattress that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Perfect Cloud 12 inches Elegance Memory Foam Mattress. The Perfect Cloud Elegance is one of the best memory foam twin mattresses you can have in your bed. The mattress has 2 layers of memory foam that hugs and cool your body. The upper layer features cooling gel that keeps your body enjoying balanced temperatures. Additionally, with a thickness of 12 inches, it offers proper body support. Apart from the cooling gel, the mattress has a premium knitted soft cover that keeps the body well hugged. Unlike other mattresses without removable covers, this has a zippered one. Also, this implies you can wash your cover to keep it fresh. When you think about support, this mattress offers exceptional feeling. It has durable construction which enables weightless feeling. With mite and dustproof cover, it gives you peace of mind. Plus, strong base layer provides the mattress with perfect anchoring and support. At number 4, Live and Sleep Classic 10-inch Memory Foam Mattress, Twin. Having comfortable and ample sleep is vital for human health. But, to achieve this, a good mattress is necessary. The airflow-infused foam cradles and contours to your body. This lets you enjoy different sleeping positions without developing paining body areas. Importantly, the high-quality and inexpensive memory foam is ideal and allows the body to enjoy great cooling. There are no coils or latex, hence no odors. The good thing about this mattress is all people can use it. Whether heavy or light users, they can use it without experiencing hard spots. Rated medium firm, the bedding is classic and highly enjoyable. Amazingly, this mattress is designed to be compatible with different beds. Plus, available with a bonus pillow, the mattress is CertiPure. At number 3, Classic Brands Cool Gel 1.0 Ultimate Gel Memory Foam 14 inches Mattress Twin. The Classic Brand Cool Gel mattress is excellent in relieving body pressure and pains. It's a high-density mattress with the ability to cool and support your body. Plus, the combination of different memory foam layers gives strong support and essential cushioning. To ensure it delivers exceptional soft feeling, the knitted fabric cover is impressive. Interestingly, the mattress has 4 layers that ensure sleepers get exceptional contouring and cooling. The 14 inches thick mattress is classic in keeping the users highly supported. With a dense and robust base, it provides structural support. Even when used by heavy users, the mattress won't collapse. The foam is hypoallergenic, allergen-free, and also resistant to mold and dust. To suit any bedroom, it has an adjustable base friendly. At number 2, LINENSPA 8 inches Twin Hybrid Mattress. The LINENSPA Hybrid Mattress is a perfect way to keep your body soothed. Also, the 8 inches mattress is engineered to fit every sleeper and ensure they experience full body support and cushioning. Additionally, the combination of springs and memory foam renders this mattress medium firm. Thereby, everyone can sleep without feeling the hard spots. With this, kids, guests and other people can use the mattress comfortably. With 1.5 inches quilted layer offers a soft feeling, and eliminate hard spots. Additionally, the cover is plush to deliver a soft feeling to the users. Despite the superior construction, the mattress has a medium firm feel. This lets sleepers enjoy different sleeping positions without experiencing pain due to extreme pressure. Interestingly, unpacking this mattress is simple and hassle-free. It comes with a shipping box that is simple to open. At number 1, Tuft & Needle T&N Adaptive Foam Twin Mattress. Tuft & Needle is a trusted brand by many customers for their reputable products. This T&N Adaptive Foam Mattress is among the best option to have in your bedroom. Made from freshly poured T&N foam, it's highly responsive and supportive. Moreover, the bouncy design is great for ensuring the body has excellent cushioning. Due to the lasts foam, this mattress is excellent than outdated latex and other materials with toxic substances and odors. Apart from the soft top layer, the base is highly supportive and keeps the mattress in shape. Despite its premium nature, the mattress is compatible with different bed foundations. Whether box springs, slated or adjusted frames, the mattress is highly compatible. However, to enjoy great performance, the mattress comes with 100 trial nights. Thereby, users can enjoy a trial period, hence a good deal product. With various certifications, it means you can be sure of safety. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.